Meaning of grow-bag.
Gro-bag.
Grow-bag.
Gro-bag.
Grow-bag. A grow-bag is a type of gardening accessory that allows plants to grow in a contained environment. It typically consists of a large plastic bag with pre-portioned soil and fertilizer, and is used for growing fruits and vegetables. The purpose of a grow-bag is to provide an ideal environment for the plants to grow, including consistent moisture and nutrient levels. By using a grow-bag, gardeners can optimize their plant growth even in small spaces like patios and balconies. Overall, the grow-bag is a convenient and effective solution for urban gardening and home vegetable cultivation.